Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by committing to stance and posture. This matters because your weight distribution controls the board. Pop the tail with a short, sharp motion while sliding the front foot toward the nose to lift the wheels. Once done, shift weight slightly forward to level the board in midair. This creates the plane for the no comply. Make sure to aim for a low, controlled hop rather than a high flick, because consistency beats height when learning this trick. You now refine the foot sequence. Plant your front foot on the ground and use it to push off while your back foot drags the tail down to pop. As you step, rotate your shoulders slightly toward the intended direction to guide board rotation. This is why upper body timing is crucial. Once done, keep your knees bent to absorb the return. Practice slow repetitions to sync the step, pop, and shoulder lead so the board stays aligned under your feet. You finish by focusing on landing. Watch the board, bring your feet back over the bolts, and bend your knees to absorb impact. This keeps you from washing out. If the tail stalls or the board doesn't lift, increase the front foot stomp force and shorten the step timing so momentum transfers cleanly. Small increments work best. If things go wrong, reset using cones for consistent step spacing and slow the run, because deliberate practice fixes timing problems faster than raw speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.